Hello everyone, welcome back to Bite-Size Forensics. Today I want to start a three-part series on collecting data across platforms. Now, many of you already have experience running a triage collector on Windows machines to collect artifacts and telemetry in support of an investigation. But if you do this long enough, you are going to run into environments where there may be some Linux machines being used as servers. Maybe the engineering department uses MacBooks, so there's some macOS in the environment. And you need to collect data from all of these platforms to support your investigation. In these cases, you really have four ways to approach the problem. The first is to continue to use your Windows collector and do the analysis in the way you would normally do it. For Linux and macOS, you could remote into those machines and collect the artifacts to do analysis, or maybe do analysis directly on the machines. The second is to, again, continue to use your Windows collector, but add in a macOS and Linux collector and do the investigation and analysis separate for each platform. The third way is to think in a more cohesive manner and to configure your three collectors, Windows, Mac, and Linux, so that their output is more normalized and can be correlated so that your investigation can be more cohesive. The last way, which is the approach that I took, was to create a collector that runs on all three platforms using the same syntax. Now, the reason this works is because when we do collections on machines, we're doing the same types of things. We're copying files, we're executing external programs, we're uploading data, we're parsing CSVs. So if you abstract those ideas into a single syntax, the platform really doesn't matter. And so, in fact, the default script that comes with AcquireX will run on all three platforms. The script simply decides, am I running on Linux? Okay, copy these files. Am I running on Windows? Okay, execute these programs. In this way, we can have one single collector that runs on all three platforms and uses the same syntax. If you're interested in this kind of idea, take a look at AcquireX, my triage collector. It's available for free, it's open source, and it's on GitHub. Thanks.